Well, first of all, there is no Neil recommends a minimum profit margin on Amazon, okay? I don't have one of those. I have said many times that my own Amazon business, which has got many products, averages between 32 and 36% profit, like pre-tax profit. So that's called EBIT, EBIT profit. So EBIT profit averages that 32 to 36%, and that is of course dependent upon what time of year it is, what I am launching, what new products I'm launching, what marketing I'm doing, yada yada yada. It depends. But that's a good kind of average, 32 to 36%. But if you took some products separately, I've got products that make 10% profits, but they sell like gangbusters. Like I sell hundreds of them a month, but a low margin product, and that's completely fine. I'm golden with that. I've also got products that I only sell, they're in the tens rather than the hundreds a month. I sell tens of them a month, but the margins are very high. And again, I am totally fine with that too. So the bottom line is you have to do your figures. And for me, I am less inclined to look at profit margins and more inclined to look at money. How much money am I getting? Because I can't spend profit margins. My bank doesn't give a shit what profit margins my business makes. My bank only cares how much money I'm putting into it, and that's the only thing you should care about too. So don't get caught up on profit margins. It's of no consequence. The only thing that matters is how much money are you making. You can't spend margins, you can spend money though. So focus on that. That's why I'm happy to have a product that makes me $15,000 a month, whatever it might be, with very low margins, but it still makes me a profit of $15,000 a month. I don't care about that. I'm focused on the $15,000, not on the 10% profit, if that makes sense. So you've got to put your emphasis in the right place. Put your emphasis on where the money is, not where the margin is. So how does that apply to wholesale? Exactly the same. Put your emphasis on how much money you will make per month, not on what profit margin you will make per month. Don't be so caught up on that. Get caught up on how much money you're going to put in your bank every month. That's the better figure to focus on. Because that figure, there's a lot of ways to get to that figure. There's lots and lots of ways to get to that figure. So it's the better thing to focus on. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.